Hi, my name is Chandan Oberoi. Welcome to yet another property tour of Wisdom Estates. Let's show you this 3 BHK 200 square yard builder floor in a very prime location of Rajouri Garden. So ये आपकी main entrance property की has a digital cum biometric lock. You move straight into this living and dining section. It's a very spacious hall. आप इसको divide कर सकते हो 3 parts में. Use that space with a partition over here as a drawing room. Now you can place a 6 to 7 seater dining table over here. You can also convert this space into a family lounge. This property has 4 washrooms and one of them is attached to the living cum dining section. Can be used as a guest washroom, it's a small washroom. You also have an LED console. You can place a full length LED TV over here. Main USP of this house, you have a very spacious balcony. It's a 30-foot wide balcony. You can convert this balcony into the terrace. Both the living section and the bedroom are connected to this balcony at the front. हमने एंटर किया है फर्स्ट बेडरूम में, that is at the front of the property. This bedroom has a direct access from the living section. इस बेडरूम के साथ आपको सेपरेट वॉकिंग क्लोजेट मिलता है. You have a full wall wardrobe and a separate dressing section. इस बेडरूम के साथ अटैच वॉशरूम है. आपका शावर इंक्लोजर ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है. यू हैव अ वैनिटी विद अ वॉल माउंटेड जैगुआर फॉसेट्स. So moving out of this first bedroom, let me also describe you the layout of this property. You have one bedroom and a living section at the front. Then you have your kitchen and 2 bedrooms at the back. ये पूरा घर centrally AC है. You have 2 ceiling mounted Daikin ACs in the living section and split ACs in the bedroom. I'll show you when I show you the bedrooms. So ये है modular kitchen. इस property का this kitchen has been so well laid out. You have a direct access from the living section, yet this kitchen is not visible from the living area. बहुत लोग नहीं चाहते कि किचन विजिबल हो. ये किचन आपको फुली लोडेड मिलेगा गैस टॉप, चिमनी, माइक्रोवेव ओवन के साथ. जब इसका पोजेशन होगा, you will get it fully loaded. So from the kitchen you have 2 bedrooms, your second bedroom and your third bedroom. This is a very spacious second bedroom with the detailing work and the bed back along with the 6-door wardrobe with the profile lights. This bedroom has a direct access to the utility area through this UPVC door. You can place your washing machines over there. This is your attached washroom. Now this washroom has been very thoughtfully built. आपके पास बहुत बड़ी vanity है with a lot of storage at the bottom. A separate wet area with a shower enclosure and a EWC. All the faucets and fittings are of top end brand Jaguar.